CSB+SJU uses Zoom for video conferencing, and courses that are part of the HyFlex learning model use Zoom as a way of making the courses available online. In this instructional video, we will be going over entering a Zoom session, controlling your audio feed, and video presets for viewing. Part 1. Entering a Zoom session. If you're logging in remotely, your instructor will share a Zoom login URL with you. If you're in class, they may give you the Zoom meeting ID. Either click on the Zoom login URL or go to the csb.sju.zoom.us website, click Join, enter the meeting ID, and click Join. Part 2. Audio controls. When you join the meeting, your audio and video may be turned off, or it may be turned on by default, depending on the choices your instructor made when creating the meeting. You should have headphones with an internal microphone built into your laptop, or a headset with a built-in microphone. And you can choose at the menu, next to the mute button, to switch between the options to make sure you're using the headset for your microphone and speakers. If you don't have a headset, and you are in the classroom, remember to turn your speaker volume to 0 and mute the microphone until you are in a breakout room. To lower the speaker volume on your computer, click on the volume icon on your device. For Macs, this will be in the upper right-hand side of your screen. For PCs, this will be in the lower right-hand side of your screen. Then use the sliders to lower the audio all the way to the left, or to 0. If you're in a classroom, the room's speakers and the microphone will have problems if your device sound is on. If you're remote, you'll turn your speaker volume to whatever level is comfortable for you, but mute your microphone so ambient sound from your remote location does not bleed into the meeting. To mute yourself, go to the lower left-hand side of the Zoom window and select the microphone icon to mute. Part 3. Video presets. There are two different ways to view participants in Zoom: speaker and gallery view. You can toggle between these using the options on the upper right. If someone is sharing their screen in Zoom, but you want to see the active speaker or the classroom video, go to View Options, choose Side by Side. You can adjust the size of either video feed. To do so, hover your mouse at the border between the two video feeds. Wait for your mouse to turn into a double arrow. Click and drag right or left. You can also pin the video you want to see next to the screen being shared. To do so, hover over the video feed you want to see. Click on the ellipses. Select Pin Video. Note that the host of the meeting can choose to spotlight which video is being shown, which would override the video you've chosen to pin. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please contact Instructional Technology or the Help Desk if you have any questions about using this software.